In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art with a cube and an array modifier. This is how the scene looks like. The meshes are all separate objects. I started with a cube and extruded the top and the bottom faces inward like this. Type I as in India to extrude inward, and X to delete the selected faces. Type 2 to select edges, and Shift-Alt select the top and the bottom edge loops like this. Ctrl East to bridge edge loops. Type S and Z as in zebra to scale on the Z axis. I'll add an array modifier and apply it. In edit mode, type A to select all, and P to separate by loose parts. In object mode, type M to put the separated meshes into a new collection. Let's randomize transform the meshes. I'll move the origin to geometry. That's how the meshes were created, and I'll show you the material, the environment light settings, and the composite node details next. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.